Damn. The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to a new video. Today we're doing Uniswap. It's pumped today like 53%, so it's only reasonable to make a Uniswap video today. So let's get in the chart, see what's happening. Make my face smaller, charts bigger, because that's always a good thing, of course, as always. So you can see this our pump over here, that's a 30% pump, no sorry, 50% pump. Let's actually measure that all the way from the week down to week up, 77%. So that's quite nice, all the way from the bottom to the top, 77%. Extremely nice. So I'm guessing a lot of people are thinking, is this over? Is this gonna go further up? What's gonna happen? Now of course this might actually stop over here and just get a correction on sideways, but I have a feeling this is gonna go higher up, and I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did in the previous video on Binance Coin. We're gonna use Fibonacci extensions to figure out if how far this is gonna go. So we're gonna this is some kind of start of the move, right? These are what are you gonna call it, pit stops on the way up, right? And this is actually the top, this is the retracement back, and this is now the breakout. So let's start with the extensions. We're gonna start here at the bottom of these wicks down here, all the way down to there, and now we get some kind of extensions where we are. So you can see right now we are having a pit stop at number 2 on the Fibonacci, and something is happening here. We can go into 5-minute chart and see what's happening. That's the blue line over here. You can see here it went up, retested the 1.6 line, and then went all the way up to 2 line, and now it's trying to break the 2 line. So we can also put out some moving averages, see how this is playing out. It's on the 5-minute chart, usually the blue one, the 100 moving average, is the one to watch for. So I think it's gonna wait for the either 50. You can see the 10 and the 50. We're gonna turn off the 10 on the 5-minute chart, it's just too small. The 50 and the 100 moving average, one of these two is gonna get hit, and it's gonna push the price high up. If it starts falling below 100 moving average, hopefully it's gonna get caught up with the 200 moving average and push the price up. But if it starts falling below all of these moving averages, then we hit some kind of top. But right now it looks actually good. It's an uptrend, although we are getting some kind of sideways movement. So we're gonna see what's happening on that. So let's get back and see further what's gonna happen. So how are we gonna figure out which one of these are most likely to be hit? 2, 2.6, 3, 3.6, 1.6 over here is already broken. We are testing now too. So this looks some kind of bull flag, right? This is wait, this is the why can I not draw on this? This is a flag, and then this is some kind of a sorry, this is the pole, this is the flag, and this is the breakout. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the pole and extend it from the breakout and see how far did we get. So it starts somewhere around here, it goes all the way to the top over here. We are using the wicks on the bottom, and we're gonna extend it all the way from the breakout that should be around over here. And you can see here it actually goes almost all the way up to 3. Wait, let me double check this. Put it, yeah, it's give or take, over here. So yeah, so around 3. So that's the target we are actually looking for right now. That's the 46, and it corresponds to the 3 on the Fibonacci. So we are around the 2, so we got a way up to go, and I think tomorrow, maybe also day after, it's gonna go all the way. So from 2 to 3, let's see how much percentage that has to do to get all the way up to 3. It has to do a 43%. So either it's gonna do 2 days with 20% pump, or just next day just gonna pump all the way up to 3. So that's what I'm predicting right now. That's the target. The target is all the way up here at 46. 46, because you have to know we are not bearish on nothing right now. Everything is in an uptrend, especially today. A lot of decent coins has changed direction, like Cardano, 1inch, Sushi, right? Uniswap as well. they have been having some kind of a sell-off, some kind of a consolidation, and right now they are breaking all kinds of important technicals on the upside, and it's going up. So I don't think it's gonna stop after 50%, although 50% is a lot in one day. I don't think it's gonna stop here. I think we're gonna have at least a move up to the 46 before we get some kind of movement, sideways moves like over here. Now in the previous video today on the Binance coin, I know a lot of you people bought FOMO'd in, bought the tops and are selling the bottom because it's going down. So I just want to say a quick word about that. In the bull markets, you never want to sell the bottoms. There's always going to be something called FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, right? But you don't want to sell the bottoms, because in the bull market it will recover, it will go higher up. In the bear markets, you have to any top is possibly last top, so you have to take profits. But in bull market, if you are buying something, even if you buy on the top itself, you just need to hold through it. You don't want to sell with a loss. I mean, if you bought at the wrong time, sure, you bought at the wrong time, you know, you didn't do your job, but you have to keep, you have to be convinced that whatever you bought is actually a decent thing. So as long as you didn't buy something, some trash, you're gonna be okay. But the problem is you have to wait. So assume you bought somewhere here on the top, right? You will have to wait this like 2 weeks. For 2 weeks you have to wait to get out of the bottom, right? Here you might be thinking like, oh yes, it's going up, we are fine, and then you get these dumps all the way to 16. Imagine you bought at 23, 22, 23, and now it's going down to 16. If you're not convinced that this thing is a good buy, it's gonna go all the way. You're probably gonna sell. That's why being convinced that whatever you bought in the bull market, crypto bull market, is gonna go up. So you have to keep doing that. But right now this looks very, very bullish. So there are two more things I want to show you. First one is this trend line over here that goes something like this. You can see here it's worked as a support 1, 2, 3 times, and now 4 times. When you hit this one, we bounced off. So this was a very good level to actually bounce off of it. So if we go down again, I don't think we're gonna break this, just not yet at least. So if you go all the way up here, we might have some sideways move and hopefully bounce off the line one more time. And the last thing I want to show you is that we on the MACD got the bullish cross. This is on the daily MACD, so it's pretty good, and I think this is gonna stand. Before this we were actually going further down, and suddenly it just pumped 50%, and that gave us this bullish cross over here. And bullish cross is always nice, especially in the bull runner. Like here you can see here the bullish cross came all the way down here, and the moves after the bullish cross on the daily on the MACD are actually quite significant. So if this stands today and we keep this bullish cross over here, the next move, further move up, is gonna be quite significant. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, now it's your turn to subscribe to the channel. Like I said last video, no free lunch again. I give you something, you give me something. I want a like and I want a subscription. That's what I do this for. Likes and subscription, man. Also leaving a comment makes me happy, and I read all the comments. I know I don't reply to all the comments, but I read all the comments. Remember that. Thanks for watching, guys. And once again, don't FOMO into a thing just because they pumped 50% and sell with a loss in whatever you got, because whatever you got is probably gonna pump as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.